Hey everyone, so I'm doing a Hoya test. If you own a Sirui and you wanted to see what this is like, the Sirui 50mm 1.6 times anamorphic full frame. There's a lot of us that are new that just bought it, but there's no like real diopter test. So I'm just kind of like I've lit this room here, and I just have a black Pro Mist filter on right now. So I'm going to literally screw on the 1, the 2, and the 4 strength of this Hoya diopter. So we can all see what it looks like, and you can make your decision on whether you want to buy it or not. And I'm just going to post it on Facebook. So now I'm at about 16 inches from the front of the lens. So it takes you from 2.5 as closest focus to 16 inches, which is it's pretty good. That's pretty good. I don't really see any distortion at the edges. There's no real color shift, which is really good. But if you can see my wrinkled forehead, you can see that's pretty good. Okay, so this is at a foot. This is about a foot, and this is the Hoya number 2. So right here, yeah, right there. I am about a foot from the front of the lens. So I went from the number 1 is a 16 inch, number 2 is a foot. So I'm going to go to number 4, 1, 2, and 4 of the Hoya. All right, sorry for the super close up, but it's the only way that I can really show how close this is to the lens. 2.5 feet. So normally you would be 2.5 feet is 2.5 feet from the front of the lens is I would be here. That's 2.5 feet at minimum focus. So here now with this filter I can do that, and you can see there's no real light at the edges. It's pretty good. It's pretty like sharp all the way through. All right, we're going to try number 4. All right, so this is now 8 inches. 8 inches from the front of the lens. Look, I'm going all the way to the corners, and you can see there's no barreling. There's no weird. It's slightly soft in the middle, obviously there is, but maybe it's just the way I'm holding it too. But no, it's pretty good all the way through to the ends. So this is the number 4 strength of the Hoya diopter set, and for the 82mm, so which I have on the Sirui lens. And now I am totally out of focus. There we go. Look at that. For eye shots, this is pretty good.